course, today we are making cake pops using regular boxed cake mix. For this, we will be using cake mix, whatever type you want to make, and you will need the ingredients needed to make your cake mix. We will also be using frosting, lollipop sticks, chocolate, and parchment paper. So you're going to start by baking your cake according to the instructions on the back of the box. I baked my cake over parchment paper so that it wouldn't stick to my baking dish. Once the cake is fully cooled, you're going to crumble the cake. Make sure that there are no chunks. You can use a whisk or you can just use your clean hands. Once it's fully crumbled, add in 1 tablespoon of frosting and mix. You want the consistency of Play-Doh, so if the mixture doesn't come together, you can add more frosting. Because I wanted to use confetti cake mix, the colors of the dough mixed in with the frosting a bit and turned a not so pretty color, but it still tastes just as good, so it's okay. Once it comes together, roll balls out of your dough and place on parchment paper. Put these in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. Right before taking it out, I melted a bit of chocolate in the microwave that we're going to use to secure the sticks into the balls of dough. So take out your dough, add a bit of chocolate to one end of your stick, and put that end into the balls of dough. One by one, finish and place on parchment paper. Once this is done and the chocolate cools, I melted more chocolate. Melt your chocolate according to package directions. And now we're going to finally dip our cake pops. Dip each cake pop into the chocolate and let any excess run off. I would recommend tapping on the stick a bit to get the excess off a lot easier. I would also recommend putting them on some sort of cake pop stand if you want even round cake pops, but I just placed mine on parchment paper because I didn't mind the flat edges. While the chocolate was still melted, I added some sprinkles. You can add any other decoration that you would like and let them set completely. Once they are completely dry, you're done. Enjoy!